Hello, I'm Kathy, the art teacher from Art Projects for Kids. I'm happy to say that over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Today's drawing video is about how to draw leprechaun feet. They've got fancy shoes and striped socks, and it makes for a really fun St. Patrick's Day project. Let's get started. The supplies you need for this project are drawing paper, pencil, marker, and crayons. For some extra help, you can also download this free matching tutorial from my website. Before you start your drawing, take a moment to create some guides on your paper. You just need to fold and crease the paper in half in both directions. You'll have lines that match my tutorial, and they really help you figure out where to put your pencil lines. Step number 1. These leprechaun shoes have a lot of curvy shapes to them, so I like to go back and forth in order to keep things easy to see. Start with drawing a heel like this on the right side. Then draw a matching heel on the left side. Now start the bottom curve on the right shoe, and then draw the same shape on the left shoe. Step number 2. Start the back of the right shoe with 2 curved lines like this, and then draw the same 2 curved shapes on the left side. Step number 3. Go back to the right shoe at the top and go down to start the curly toe. Then go to the left shoe and draw the same shape. Step number 4. Finally, finish the right shoe with a curly toe. And then do the same for the left shoe. Okay, that's the trickiest part of this drawing. The rest is really easy now. Step number 5. Add an edge to the sole of both shoes to make them look a little bit thicker. Step number 6. Now come the legs that extend up from the shoe. Draw the right one first, and then do the same for the left leg. Now those pants are going to get some fancy cuffs, so draw a rectangle like this on the right side, and then the same for the leg on the left side. Step number 7. Now draw the right pant leg, still leaving some space at the top for the jacket. And then, of course, do the same for the left leg. To draw the jacket, start with a curve and a line on the right, and then come around and do the same on the left side. Step number 8. Now come the fun stripes on the stockings. I'm making mine about 6 angled lines on the right side, and then 6 angled lines on the left side. You could certainly add more or fewer if you want. And the final touch, some buckles on those shoes. Draw one like this on the right side, and then the same for a buckle on the left side. Step number 9. Now the drawing is done and it's time to trace all those pencil lines with a black marker. I always recommend tracing slowly so you can stay right on those pencil lines. And when you're done, erase any extra pencil lines that are still showing so your drawing looks neat and clean. And now for the coloring. Most of the things here are going to be green, starting with the pants. That goes for the shoes too, but feel free to change things up if you want. Next, I'm going to finish off those shoes with a little bit of black. And I'm making the buckles the same color, but you could certainly color them gold or yellow or something else too. Now for the stripes on my stockings, I'm going to use a light green crayon. This yellowish green crayon adds a little variety to my drawing. And finally, the background color. I've decided to go with a light orange color, but any color that has some contrast with the green would look really great too. And there you go, a finished leprechaun feet drawing. Those shoes are just too fun to look at, So it's nice to have a drawing that really shows them off. Hey, thanks for drawing with me today. I hope you've enjoyed this Leprechaun Feet drawing video. You can check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, for more tutorials like how to draw a leprechaun and how to draw a leprechaun hat. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.